Viewers, today I'm back again with a brand new viral niche for you. So without wasting any time, open YouTube and search for the channel Mr. Andhera. Yes, viewers, this is a Hindi channel, but it has uploaded some shorts that are going extremely viral. Now let me quickly show you. First, click on the popular section, and here you can see the viral shorts. 16 million views, 3.9 million, 3.6 million, 2.8 million, and many more videos with hundreds of thousands of views. If you look closely, they are using fruit and vegetable characters. For example, fruit characters and vegetable characters, and all their videos are generated around these concepts. This type of content is currently highly trending and viral, and I've personally tested it. In my previous video, I also uploaded content based on vegetable and fruit characters, and it performed really well. So I thought, why not bring you another unique and powerful viral niche that you will absolutely love? Viewers, you can explore all these videos one by one. They are super creative, engaging, and trending right now. And today, I've also created similar videos myself using this exact concept. First, watch my videos and notice the talking style and lip sync. It's really impressive. I hope you'll enjoy this type of content, and I know you're waiting to learn how to create these videos yourself. Open ChatGPT. I've already generated the prompts for you to save your time. And don't worry, viewers, I will give you a master prompt. You just need to copy and paste it, and you'll find it in my YouTube description. Inside that master prompt, you'll get both image prompts and video prompts, along with 10 unique vegetable character ideas automatically generated for you. All you need to do is copy the master prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and your 10 unique prompts will be ready instantly. Let me show you some examples. Angry broccoli, evil onion, romantic strawberry. Funny potato, hero carrot like a police officer. Lazy tomato, sad chili pepper, and many more. These prompts are super unique, short, and highly optimized because they are based on trending and viral niches, just like the channels I showed you earlier. And today, I'll show you exactly how to create these viral shorts step by step. The best part is that I'll teach you how to generate both images and videos using a 100% free tool. Yes, one single tool for everything. So let's get started with the first step. Okay, viewers, now you need to open the website, which is 100% free. The website is Flow AI. Yes, viewers, this platform is completely free and currently very trending. And as you already know, tools like Croc AI are no longer fully free and don't provide enough credits anymore, but Flow AI is completely free to use. So without wasting any time, click on the Create option. Once you click on it, you'll see that image generation using Nano Banana is completely free. Now click on New Project. After opening a new project, you'll notice that we can generate both images and videos from here. First, let's generate images. For image generation, I'll use the Nano Banana Pro tool because it's very powerful and trending right now. As you can see, there are options like 1x, 2x, 3x, and 4x, and all of them work with 0 credits. That means you can generate unlimited images for free. Now I'll paste my first image prompt here. After selecting the resolution, I'll click on the Generate button. As you can see, since I selected 2x, it generated 2 images from a single prompt, completely free. After waiting just a few seconds, you can see that my first 2 images are ready. Out of these, I really like this one. You can see how cool and creative this image looks. Alright, viewers, I don't want to waste your time because I know your time is very valuable. Now I'll copy my second prompt, paste it here, and click on Generate again. After a short wait, you can see that my evil onion image is also ready. It looks very unique and creative. Next, I'll copy my third prompt, which is the romantic strawberry, paste it here, and click on Generate. After a few seconds, both images are ready again, and they look very trendy and unique. Now I'll move to the fourth prompt. I'll paste it and click on Generate, and after a short wait, the fourth set of images is also ready, and they look amazing. Now, viewers, without wasting time, I'll continue this process for all remaining prompts, 5th, 6th, 7th, and so on. I'll just keep pasting the prompts one by one and clicking on Generate. And here's the best part. You don't have to wait for each one. You can enter multiple prompts at once, even 10, 15, or 20 prompts, and it will keep generating images automatically in the background, so your time is not wasted at all. Just keep adding prompts, and it will keep generating results. Now, as you can see, I've entered all the prompts, and the tool has started generating images. After a short time, you can see the final results. All my images are ready. Oh my God. Viewers, these images look amazing, super cool, and highly trending. I'll quickly show you all of them one by one so you can see how creative and high quality they are. Now from these, I'll select my favorite images because I want to convert them into videos, so I'll start downloading them one by one. Alright, now I've downloaded around 5 to 6 of my favorite images and saved them. Now it's time to move to the final step. We have completed the image generation part. Now let's move on to the video generation step. Let's continue. Okay viewers, now it's time to generate the video. To do that, I'll click on the video option. After that, I'll select the 1x mode because it only uses 20 credits. If you select 2x, it will use 40 credits, so for now, we'll go with 1x to keep it efficient. Now I'll upload my first image here. After that, I'll paste the prompt, click on the generate option, and wait for a few seconds. As you can see, my first unique video is now ready. Take a proper look at this. You can see how amazing and high quality this video is. It looks very trending and engaging. This means that this tool is not only great for images, but also extremely powerful for video generation. Now, without wasting any time, I'll move to the second image. I'll select the image that I want to convert into a video, paste the prompt again, and click on the Generate button. After a short wait, you can see the result. The Banana Comedy Club video is ready, and just look at how amazing it is. The character is speaking in such a fun and engaging way. It looks really impressive. Now, I'll repeat the same process for the third image. I'll upload the image, paste the prompt, and click on Generate. After clicking Generate, you can see that the third video is also ready very quickly, the Carrot Police scene. Now, as you can see, all 3 videos are highly unique, trending, and generated very fast. This clearly shows that this tool is extremely powerful and efficient. Now, I'll select the last image. Since you already understand the process for both image and video generation, I don't want to waste your time. I'll upload the last image, paste the prompt, and click on Generate. And here you go. The final video is also ready. You can see the strawberry love scene, and it looks absolutely amazing. Now viewers, after this, I'll download all the videos one by one in 720p quality and save them. If you are using CapCut, simply import all these clips in sequence, arrange them properly, and click on Export. And just like that, your complete short video will be ready, exactly like I showed you in my previous videos. So viewers, I hope you really enjoyed today's video, because in this one video, I showed you a complete method using a single tool that is 100% free. With this tool, you can generate both images and videos easily. This means it's an all-in-one amazing tool. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on new viral niches and free AI tools like this. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.